Okay, this is a recording of oil price action going back to October 28th at now 12:51 uh, a.m. So this is a replay, and we're just gonna go through it and see how we would play through this. So of note, we know that we have two um, downgoing sell-offs from this level. We know that overall we're in a downtrend. You can see that we're below the 100 moving average on average, and probably I don't have it plotted on here, but we're below the 200 pair moving average as well. This channel that I drew is connecting these two highs and connecting these two lows, so we would expect a sell-off from this area, from this zone. We can look at this. We're about 20 times market speed right now. So it's 1 o'clock a.m. I'm going to pull over the 15 minute and show that to you. Here's the 15 minute. Looks like we're right above previous close right now. I'm going to speed this up a little bit, about 100 times, so we can keep going here. So same thing on the 15 minute. You see we're below the we're inside of this descending channel. We're just coming up on this. This looks like a great engulfing channel. Just closed, so we would sell there. And we would put our stop loss right above that. So that's about 50 ticks away. It's big move away. Let's blow this up a little bit. There we go. We'll close this. Right now we are at 2:30 a.m. We'll just let this market play out a little bit. Okay, right now we're at 3 o'clock and we're about 100 or so dollars above in profit. Looks like we have a couple nice candles. We could close in our stop loss at this point and right at the open of right above previous. Now I like that. So let's we could go to break even right now, right above this one. Let me give the market a little more room. It's still early. We got these tails down here. Remember that. Let's plot those tails down there. Have to be careful around here. Market was oversold at that level too. You can see that on the 15. Overbought, sorry. I've decreased my risk considerably. I'm only actually eight ticks above the entry point here. You can see that. Time is 4:30. This is the 50 mark right here. If we get below that, that's when I'm gonna really start closing in. Yeah. I'll just pause and just kind of let the market play out a little. Okay, market's breaking below the 50, so I'm gonna definitely move in to protect right above this candle, right above the candle that closes below the 50. We're $780 in profit. The time is 7:58. I'm gonna move in a little bit more. I don't, because we're getting close to this demand zone here. I don't want to. I don't want the market to rally against me too bad. Too bad. Okay, we're up on 9 o'clock. Looks like we're still trying to penetrate this demand zone here. Trying to give the market a little room to do its thing, but looks like the bears are pushing in hard. I'm gonna close in right above that candle, right above the 50. Okay, market came back and took me out somewhere around in here, and I'm still in this downtrend, so I'm gonna continue to look for an engulfing candle to the downside. I entered again right here in this area where after this candle formed right at this supply zone, and this candle's about to complete. It's 5 minutes in. Once it completes, we'll move right above it. I like the profit here, so I might just close it at this level. Yeah, I'm just gonna move right above it, just right there. I'm not gonna waste any dollars. Give them a little more room. Yeah, that's a nice one. Still trying. Looks like the market's still trying to break through the uh, previous lower day level. So we can move in a little bit right above these candles here, right above those openings. Looks like they're trying to attack this previous lower day, create another previous lower day. We'll see what happens here. We're about $1 from the previous high. So you want to be aggressive around that dollar move, especially at 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. Be right back. And here we are. So we're just breaking through the previous lower day level. We don't want to move in too fast because it looks like they're trying to get through it and close this one. Let's see what happens here. There you go. So we can move right above previous lower day, give the market a little room. Also close below this previous lower day. So it's going to be a nice close right there. We're at $1,500 on this move here. Market has moved $1.39 from the high, and the time is 2 o'clock. Wouldn't be surprised if this next candle comes up and tries to retest here. Maybe try to give them a little more room. No. Kept going for another extension, so we're going to move in a little bit further. Not quite at the bottom of this channel, but we're right at the open of this candle. 2 more minutes in this candle. Time is 12:13. And we got taken out. I don't mind getting taken out on that one. Let's see if we get another entry candle. We got 12 minutes left in this candle here. Okay, I entered here on this candle, the retest of this zone. I'm much more aggressive with my stop. I don't want to lose any profits at this time, and the market is overextended $1.40. So I don't want to really put myself out there too far. Let's speed up a little bit here. As you can see, the market is off. So this was a Friday actually. So the market was closed at this point. So we'll close it and we'll see how we did. Okay, so that was October 28th. October 28th. So that was an $1,800 profit in those trades. So that was great. We had let's see, no losses that day. Yeah, only one. We took 2 trades. Pretty good. So we'll wrap this one up.